making?
A stationery.
A stationery holder for my arts and crafts. For this stationery holder, you will need one large piece of cardboard, a few tubs and tubes that can be recycled, or some containers, some old containers. You will need some different choices of wrapping paper, colour pens or pencils, of course scissors, and last but most importantly, PVA glue. Paid off because I got a lovely board to put all my pens and pencils and rubbers and rulers and all my stationery in. If you want to make something like this, just follow along and you can make something just as lovely.